Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your deep sleep stats on the Sleepass Android app. To see your deep sleep stats, you can go into here, tap on Stats, tap on the night of your choosing, then you can look right here and you will see deep sleep right here. In this case it shows 39% deep sleep and below the amount of time that it was. You can of course tap on it to see the trends, the chart of your deep sleep percentage. Alternatively, you can choose also just deep sleep as a flat value of hours you had of it. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.